So hi there, this is JP. Welcome to the channel. We're going to use the Boss RC-505 Mark II and the Arturia MiniFreak to create the track Severance and a space-like version of it. I'm also using a microphone that's plugged in just here, and we're going to use that for only one thing. So I'm actually going to use the microphone just to talk to you and explain what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. Now this screen right here is pretty tiny, so I'll be putting up the presets that I'm using and what I'm doing, and I'll explain what I'm doing along the way. So we start off with preset 17. This is Glover beat, and this is the basis for our drums, and I'm going to turn the mic off while I record this. So we've got our beat. I'm going to turn on the bass for my vocals and just add some kick drum noises. So from there, we're going to move down through the presets, and we're going to go to preset 2. This is Mr. Funky Beat, and this is our bass. We're playing it in C in the original tuning. A little bit of aftertouch there. Now we move over to Celeste, which is preset 4. The other thing we need to do is to make sure that the tempo is correct. So at 121.5, we need to change it on here. Preset 4 to preset 6. This is what's going to give us our chords. This is Eternal Lives. Now we shoot up to a second pad, which is on number 35. This pad is Aveus Arturia. I can't actually pronounce it, but it just gives us a bit more. Now comes the lead. For this, I've actually just selected preset 40, which is called Consolation. So there we go.